3 points by number 18 Soul Stars. 29 dribble. Pass to go. Oh, Violin line violation. Oh, All Stars ball. Number 18 dribble. Pass, wala more. Oh, tumira naman sa repeat. Oh, hindi all na. Rebound sa 21. Goal shots, number 21. 4 points. Let's score 5. No, it's not 0. It's a circle. Oh, number 17. Dribble. Pass to. Error. Pass to. Outside. Ikulombo. Oh. Really all-star lead. Captain Bull. Oh, number 18. Back to number 22. Oh, pass to. Oh, 22. Dribble. Back to. Oh, back to. Oh, out ang ball. Bola sa tipsy. (22, 29). Pass to. 3 points by number tipsy. Number 1 sa tipsy, 3 points. Good shot. 22 dribbles all-star. 21 dribble. Dribbles 21. Drive dribble. Oh, mayroong foul. Counted. Number 1 foul. Counted.
No.
Down to 10
Diyan ang
foul.
malakas.
Oh, bonus throw. Good shot. 20 dribble sa Tepsi. Pass to number 1. Tumira. Good shot sa number 1. Tepsi score. Score 5-8. Laman lang 8. Sino ang laman? 8 or 5? Oh, Tumira. Oh, good shot 22 sa All-Star. 3 points. 29 dribble. Drive pass to. Not good. Rebound. Huli. Oh, sayang. Nakatunog ng kalayo sa tapakan ng kalayo. Oh, number 18 dribble. Sa All-Star. Pass to 22. Pass to 21. Oh, foul number 20 sa Tipsy. Third personal foul out. 13 foul ang Tipsy. Number 1 dribble. Pass to number 17. Drives number 17. Good shooter. Good shot. Apat na naman. Naman ang 11 sa 7. Oh, 22. All-star dribble. Not good. Number 1 na naman. Pass. Oh, so huli lang. Huli. 21 dribble. Foul number 20. Dalawa na. Personal foul number 20.
Tulang McTower.
Warning for penalty ang Tipsy.
Oh, All-Star.
18. 21.
Kulang man sila.
Double violation. Substitution.
Oh.
O, Ed.
Let Tiborcio ba?
Gusto pumasok. Ed.
Larnel. Oh.
17 dribble sa Tipsy. Number 33 pass to tumira sa 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 12 sa All-Star. 22 dribble. Pass to tumira 3 points. Good shot. So, tipping violation. Sabi ko si Andre. Oh, number 9 sa All-Star dribble. Pass to 21. Good shot. Number 1 dribble sa Tepsi. Pass to si Binten. Tumira 3 points. Not good. Rebound 21. Pass number 9. Oh, pass break. Nandoon si Pari. Good shot. Good shot by number 5. Number 1. Pass. Tumira 3 points. Good shot. Number 33 sa Tipsy. Dito, dribble. Pass to 21. Tumira. Good shot by 21. All-Star. Kondisyon na ng mga manlok po eh. Oh, 33 dribble sa Tipsy. Oh, drive. Oh, mayroon. Foul. The first free throw by TFC, submitted. Not good. Rebound last throw. Goal shot. 1 point. 11-20 ang score naman ang All-Star. Light. Foul. Penalty rep. 33.
Init.
Penalty rep. Oh, first throw. Good shot. Last throw. Rebound. Good shot. Score 22-11. Lamang ang Dark alive. Number 1 sa Dark triple. Pass to Tumira 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 21. Oh, sayang.
Gulo mo, Kinit.
Foul number 5. Oh, nahuli naman ang pass. Not good. Rebound 22. Good shot sa number 5. Good shot. Number 17 sa Tipsy. 3 points. Not good. Rebound Kuku. Oh, time is on. Good, number 4. Not good. Rebound. Oh, symbol. Sayang. Number 9 dribble. Pass to 21. 21 dribble, drive. Oh, nahuli sa kalaban. 17 dribble. Pass to 33. Goal shot, number 33, Dave Sadar. Shot. Goal shot by number 12. Slide. Number 1 dribble. Oh. Not counted foul. Oh. Number 9 foul. Number 1. Back to 33. 33 drive. Back to number 1. 40 shot. Goal shot by 41. TFC. Number 9. Salide 21. Salide dribble. Dribble. Drive. Goal shot by 21. Light. Number 1 dribble sa start. Pass to number 23. Umiras 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 21. Light. Oh, huli. Oh, nabalik sa 21. Oh. Number 3 points by number 9. Score. Dami na lakay labang. Not good. Simple. Number 1, dribble, tumira, goal shot, 3 points by Tipsy. 11 points na lang. Number 9 dribble, pass to 21. Oh, struggle by Brett. Number 20, Salite dribble. Number 33, right? Number 31, goal shot, third 41, Tipsy. 9 points na lang, naman. Number 9 sa start, light. Back to number 9. Tumira light 3 points. Nasunggo. Oh, intercept sa number 9. Pass to number 21. Drive. Goal shot. Back to number 6, 14. Laman. So, nahuli naman sa 21. 21 rebound. Dribble and drive. Not good. Number 4, pass sa kalaban. Number 9. Dribble. Dribble. Oh, number 12. I know. Tipsy. Number 4 pass. Goal shot. Tipsy. Number 20. 55 dribble. Right. Pass. Good. Oh. Foul number 1. Tipsy. Second foul. Number 1. 21. Dribble. Drive. Pass. 12. 56-43. Number 1. Right. Oh, side. Goal shot. Number 1. 56-30. 12 ang laban. O, 12. Oh. Simple. Now, good. 20 drive, not good. Sayang. At go rebound sa number limit. Tipsy. 41 there, 41. So, 33 dribble. Oh, trouble. Bola sa live. 21. Right, dribble. Right. Oh no, trouble. It's double style sa atin. Josh Maria lifting style. 3 points. Gold shot by number 33. Siap na ba lang? Oh, number 9 dribble sa All-Star. Master 21. Gold shot. Oh, good. One. Number 9. Light. Is 3 second. Mainit yan. Mainit yan sa loob. Meron ka lang. Apoy. Number 4. Pass to 41. 41. Good shot. 40 seconds. 36 seconds. 21 dribble. Right. Ay, good shot by number 15. Nice pass. 33 dribble. Oh, meron foul. 55 sa right foul. Oh, 5. No more. Time is over. Ang score 31-43. Maliit na naman, lipin lang. Na-foul man ako no.
Blow. Red last. Red na last.
Good, 17 right. Good shot. Twenty-one. Salay, dribble. Dribble pass to. Oh. Out. Bola sa dark. Thirty-three sa dark dribble. Oh, 15 dribble, light. Hindi na pasat. Oh, 10 second, iba jutiku. Bola sa ladar. Uy, sayang. 5 dribble drive. Good shot. Counted. Foul 59. Yari. Nagpiyong pa nag-shot ang ako. Ang number 5, nagpiyong nga itong nag-shot kasi unang nangyapon. Ang nalunis ko ang itong tawanan.
Basta kung nasa yung ball, nasa ko namin sa gilid.
Oh, bonus no. Foul. Good shot. Holding. Oh, bola sa bola sa blue. Bola sa light. Nine dribble. Forty-one. Pass to number 17. 17 dribble. Drive. Pass to 29. Counted. Yun. 29. Number 4. Foul. Counted rin. Bonus no sa 29. Yun. Bawian.
Sabre. Wala.
Go, boarding! Ano, magkasama kayo ng
Wala pang talo.
Bawi. Right, 29. Foul. Merong foul. Number 4 sa
Dalawa kayo.
Dark. Foul.
Dalawang team.
Second team foul on Dark.
Ilan ba papasok?
Up, 8.
Ilan din? 10. Oh. Medyo malaglag kami. Balik.
Oh, 22. Back to Titian. Pass to number 5. Good shot. Oh, out of play.
Bye. Rektaan niya. Dali.
Kitlik, back to tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Oh, 41. Oh. Substitution ulit. Number 4, back. Oh, 33. 3 points by number 33, boarding time.
Huwag kayo mag-ano.
22. Number 5. Dribble. No. Hilitin. Wow. Sibitin. Galing. Pass to number 1. Go. Not good. Oh, huli naman. Number 21. 21 right. Oh, foul. Number 4 foul.
Bye.
Oh, sub. Sabit.
Ha?
Number 4 sa Dark. Second foul number 4. Oh, retro. First retro. Not good. Oh, last throw, second throw. Wala kuno. Wala din tinud. Oh, isa. Siya lang naman. Number 1 sa Dark. Pass to number 41. 33. Dribble. Oh, huli sa number 9. Pass to number 22. Sa line. Dribble sa line. Back to number 9. Tumira. Wala masyad. Oh, huli sa 41. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Hindi 15 pasok. Oh, back to number 1. Not good. Rebound sa 21. Rebound, dribble, drive. Oh, foul number. Oh, number 4 foul. Oh, referee's decision is over. No. Temper 15. Oh, nandun sa 41. Dribble. Oh. Bola sa light. Oh, 22 inbound. Oh, number 9. Light dribble. Tudira. Not good. Oh. Light ball. Substitution rep. Oh, Henry, 20. 33. Dribble, 23. Oh. Oh, why? Not good. Ang edito, sa langit pa. 22. Ay. Oh, first throw. First throw. Good. Last throw. Rebound. On. Oh, dito na lang naman. Number 9 sa live, dribble. Dribble sa number. Sa number 15. Dribble 15. Pass to number 5. Back to number 9. Back to 21. Tumira. Not good. Rebound naman sa number 15. Dribble. Oh, foul on number 33. Sa dark. 29. Penalty rip. So, first throw. Goal shot. Last throw. Rebound. Okay. Bola sa dark. 30 seconds. 26-5. 22. 33 people. 41 people. Oh, 20. Goal shot sa number 20 sa dark. Oh, 5. 3. Wow. Time is over. Wala nang oras. Makikita natin kung sino ang manalo o matalo. Manalo o matalo. Okay, time it. Ready? Pass to 41. 41 dribble. Number 4. Oh, pinalik. Goal shot by number 17. Tatlo na lang. Nakikita na, nagkabutihan na ang laro natin ngayon. Oh, 21 pass to number 15. Pass to number 9. Oh, number 5. Oh, 12. Good shot by number 12 sa line. Oh. number 2. Oh, pass to number 17. Dribble 17. Pass to mayroong foul. Number 9 sa light. Foul. Number 9. Light sa light. Mayroon na tang shot clock ha. Oh, holy second, rebound. Oh, number 9 dribble, shot. Not good. Rebound. Huli sa number 5. Oh, 21 dribble. Oh, great shot. Foul number 20. 20 Sadar foul counted. Number 20 Sadar, third personal foul. Oh, bonus throw. Substitution rep.
Kaya Kenneth.
Pasok mo yan. Hindi pa. Oh, go! Mayroon tang shot lock ha. Shot lock na tayo. Oh, rebound Sadar. Pass to number. Not good. Oh, nahuli sa number 15. 21 dribble. Pass to number 9. Tumira, 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa. Oh, no. 20. Good shot by number 20. Sabrang niya kirit ha. Oh, number 15. Dribble. Pass to number 21. Oh. Foul number 33. Tatlong foul naman ang 33 sa Dar. Oh, free throw. First free throw by Light 21. Goal shot. Last throw. Rebound. Oh, huli sa 12. Oh, okay. 33, warning. Warning ang number 33 sa Dar. 33. Oh, first throw. Not good. Oh, last throw. Rebound. Not good. Ano yun? Early badul. Oh. Free throw again. Wala naman. Rebound sa 41. Oh, bola sa Dark. Tatlong free throw this. Oh, 29 sa Dark. Dribble. 29 dribble. Oh, number 1. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good.
Bye. Delete lang to, delete.
Twenty-one dribble sa line. Dribble ang 21 sa line. Back to number 9, pass number back to 21. Dribble ang 21. Good Lord. Pass to number 12. Good shot. Lat lang. Wala time out. 17 dribble. Back to number 1. Down. Dribble. Tumira. Not good. Rebound sa number 1. Tumira naman. Not good ng yapon. Huhuli sa number 4. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Number 21 rebound. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 12. Number 9. Dribble. Pass to 21. 21 dribble. 12 Tumira. Not good. Rebound sa number 15. Number 9 dribbles. 15 dribble. Foul number 29. Warning for penalty at
Ayun.
Ayaw ko tiyan, ah.
oh, diving. Back to the goal team. Dribble. Pass number 12. Pass number 15. Back to number 12. Oh, number 55. Tumira. Not good. Huli sa number 12. Number 9 dribble. Shot clock. Oh, huli naman. Oh, ano? Oh, number 1 dribble. Dribble number 1. Number 53. Oh, huli sa number 4. Foul number 21. Oh, huli. Number 15 dribble. Drive. Not good. Good shot by number 9. Substitution. Okay. Ready? Time. Number 20. You're not at 3 points. Not good. Rebound to number 15. Number 9. Rebound. Out dribble. Only got 3 points. Good shot. Number 9. Amen. Mula sa Dark, ang score 48-61. Laban doon na, tatlo naman ganyan. 29 dribble. Number 4. Good shot by number 17. Oh, foul. In thing under 33. All out. First throw, number 15 sa line. Good shot. Last throw, rebound. Good. Mula sa 29. Dribble. Oh, doon sa number 50. Pass to number 17. Not good. 21 dribble. Sa line. 20. Oh. Bola step in. Not foul. Foul. Oh, foul. Minute. Nawala ang free throw. First throw. Not good. Second throw. Not good. Rebound naman sa 15. Tumiro sa number 9. Not good. Rebound. 26. Good shot. 29 sa dark dribble. Dribble. Not good. Number 9 dribble. Tumira 3 points. Not good. Nanalo ang 65 sa line, nanalo. Congrats for every player. Oh, Kuya G versus Mabag. Oy, early. By this